Do you know that the K54 is a streetball tournament and it takes place every summer in Paris, France? It's been going on for 20 years now and it attracts some of the best players in the world. And to celebrate this milestone anniversary, Jordan has teamed up with the tournament to create a special edition of the Air Jordan 1 Low. Hey boss, Penimansyaf here, and this sneakers right here is basically unlike any other K54 collection that we have seen before. Normally they're just using the Parisian color scheme like white, blue, and red, but this time they opt for a different colorway, just like the red, white, black, and green combo. The shades alternate across both shoes for a mismatched aesthetic that adds some flair and fun to the classic silhouette. Materials are mediocre, to be honest, as expected, and the upper is made of two types of leather. One is nubuck and the other is suede. The Nike swoosh glides across the sides with a matte finish, and co-branded detailing is embroidered on the tongues. The midsole is dipped in a creamy color for a vintage vibe, and the heel support features a K54 and Jordan logo. What makes this shoe special is that you will get a special box with the K54 graphics, and of course the keychain right here that is a limited edition that commemorates the tournament's big birthday. This is, I think, definitely a collector's item if you're a fan of the Jordan brand or streetball culture. The Air Jordan 1 Low K54 was released here in Europe last month, but for the US folks, the schedule is not defined yet. Fortunately, the shoes is currently sitting here in EU, so it's good news for the K54 fan and collectors. The question is, what do you guys think of this colorway? In my opinion, it's a little bit over the top, but if you're a fan of the streetball culture or the K54 itself, then this is a must-have into your collection. I remain true to size on this one, but take note, this is not the OG, which runs a bit bigger. That is in my case, but this one I remain true to size. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and see you around. Peace.